Okay, Danny, we are going to do pressure test. We have a Bravo 2.
Yep, there's a Bravo 2, so this is the same test you would do on a gear case, outboard,
Exactly
whatever,
the same.
it's all the same.
It's the same. Okay, we are going to remove the upper screw.
Upper screw, right.
Okay.
So we'll take the upper screw off. And always make sure that the seal's out.
The seal is out, correct.
Okay.
And
it's clean.
it's clean, and we are going to
Screw it in.
insert the tool. The tool have your own O-ring.
Right, it has its own roll ring.
Okay, and now we are going to apply how much?
Pressure, 15 psi. This one will take a little bit because it's a big unit.
Okay, 15.
Aye.
15 psi. All right, Danny. In 15 psi, you move the shaft, you move the propeller, and you verify that probably reduce 1 psi.
Yeah, that's
But,
about it. Over a minute.
Correct, but should be 15 for a couple of minutes.
Correct.
And this is a good indicator.
Right.
Okay.
That tells you that the pressure side of the seals are good.
Okay, perfect. And this is simple. It's not complicated.
Right, and if you had a bad seal, you would pump it up like that, and you look here, and then if you pumped it, it would as soon as you pump it up, it would go down on its own.
Ah, okay.
And it usually will level out a certain way.
All right, okay.
So that's you have to pay, because it'll pump up, and then it might lose the pressure right away. If it loses the pressure right, it's a direct leak, and if it doesn't lose the pressure right, it's a small leak.
All right, perfect. And you say that to verify the seal, you can put water with the...
Yep. Now let's say you're doing this test, right?
Uh-huh.
So you're putting pressure on it, and you spray soapy water on all the seals.
Okay.
If it starts foaming up,
It
bubbling,
bubbles,
that's
yeah.
where your leaks are.
All right, perfect.
People used to when I first did this, they used to teach you put the whole thing in the water. Soapy water is so much easier.
No.
In the water you'll see the bubbles,
it's
but
simple.
I mean,
Yeah, it's simple.
So the soapy water is the best way to do it.
Okay. All right. This is we can do the same procedure for any type of lower unit.
Any type of lower unit, any stern drive, any lower unit.
The secret for a pressure test is the oil at the level recommended.
Correct.
And only remove the top screw.
Top screw, right?
That's it.
That's
All
it.
right.